Greetings, the Solar Strikers is our name. To be smarter and successful is our aim.
We're smart, inclusive, kind, and efficient. It's one of the reasons why we're so proficient.
Respect is given equally to each member, and we work hard all year, even past December.
Over here, all ideas are encouraged and accepted, so our success and joy are to be expected.
When Team 11210 unites, our innovation will be a spectacular sight.
Yay!
Hello, my name is Shriniket, and I am the project manager of FOL Team 11210. Today I will be showing you how to make an emergency stop button for debugging purposes. Say you're running a program and it hits a mission model. It would be easier to just press a touch sensor rather than having to click the back button. Now, a quick tutorial on how to make it. First, you take a wait block, and then you change it so that it is on touch sensor, and then you take a stop block, and then you go to the My Block Builder, and now you can choose the image you want for the block. So I'm going to be choosing a touch sensor because that's what it uses, and then you name it. Now we will show you a quick demonstration of how it works.
Wait, what?
Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and visit our website, link in the description below.